up, LA YouTubers? This is what it's like in West Virginia in spring. It's crazy out here right now. All the trees are just going back and forth. You can probably barely hear me, but it's crazy out here. It's almost like the day the El Derecho winds came through, but this is like a little bit worse, sort of. There was leaves when that happened. So the trees caught most of the wind with the leaves, and now, well, that ain't working. Because there ain't no leaves because it's fall or whatever. It was winter, but now it's not. All you can hear is the wind. You can hear the roar of the tree, the wind, it's crazy. Look at the sky, it's actually moving. It's weird. This is just one of them bad days in West Virginia, y'all. As you can tell, I live in the middle of nowhere. And here comes the bus in the middle of nowhere. In about 3, 2, 1. Some crazy stuff today.